Here we have Vicki and Brenda in the smoking corner.
Here I am. I'm here.
And Sara's in the warm, toasty house.
I know.
Can you tell us what the date is?
Well, today is January the 25th, year 2000. I have it right this time, although I didn't last Thursday. But
And what is this called out here?
this is a blizzard
Of 2000, right?
of 2000. That's right.
Okay, cool.
It's real powdery.
Yeah.
Not good for snowballs or snowmen.
Okay. They're out here doing another reading. And we have right here the stick tells it all right here. Can you see it? I hope so, because I can't read it. They were out here for the stick reading. They're in the smoking corner.
Where's the smoking section?
That was an 8-inch. That was an 8-inch right there. Now we have 15 over here.
I'll tell you where the 15 is.
Yes. Brenda's gonna show us the 15. Show us, Brenda. All right, right there. Yes, sir. 15. Woo! But it's too cold to stay out here, and my camera's getting wet.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to take your stick back in.
8.
Until
I'm glad they're only calling for an inch or two.
Really?
until we're out here again. I'm signing off till the next reading. This is Barbara Carr coming to you live from